Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another episode. Ooh, you can see my reflection. I'm in the other car, the Nissan. I haven't been in, not the Nissan, yeah, the Nissan. Haven't been in it for a while. I've been in the Ford. I just left Teso Life. Teso Life is a Japanese department store. I'm addicted to Daiso. Daiso is like a Japanese dollar store, a 100 yen store. You can find amazing things. But I went to this Teso Life because I wanted to see what it was like. And it's more of an upscale department store. A big chunk of it is makeup and things like that. There's foods, tons of odd flavors of Lay's potato chips and such. If you're looking for something different there. Kitchen utensils, toys. There's a huge section of toys. There's Winnie the Pooh stuff and Hello Kitty at the Yazoo and all kinds of other things. But anyway, I did buy a few things, even though they're more expensive than Daiso. For my better half, she's been wanting a fish turner or fish spatula, and this I think will do it. But most importantly, cat. We're cat people, and I got True for the cats. They'll appreciate that, so they're not left out. Some rice seasoning. You probably don't care. And this is the kimchi shirakaki. I eat lots of rice and beans every day. But anyway, drinkable Konjac Jelly. This is the yogurt flavor. And there's all the stuff, only 2 calories. And I may have to put my glasses on. Then I can't read. What else? We're not done yet. I got this and this. Tokyo bread. This one's the cheese flavor. I'll wait and share that with the better half. Toss all this back in. She's not going to be as excited about the coffee flavor as I am. So this is going to be my lunch. It's carbs, and I'm trying to stay away from carbs. Yeah, it's carbs. And there's 7 grams of sugar. The sacrifices I make for you people. Tokyo bread. It comes with a little moisture pad. It smells like bread-ish. It's a coffee-flavored biscuit, all right. Maybe I'll eat half now and half later. I'm not seeing expiration date. Maybe that's an expiration date. So it doesn't, I'm not saying it, I mean it's soft, it's mushy, precious. They had some of these at Teso also, and I said, nah. But then I figured, well, I gotta buy something here while I'm wandering around. Smells like yogurt. Let's see. Water, yogurt base, chemicals, milk powder, the konjac powder. I'm doing something wrong. Took the lid off. I can see down in there. Actually doesn't taste bad. What little I can get out, but I can't figure out oh, I just have to pour it instead of squeeze. Squeezing stops it. But it's very slow that way. I'm doing something wrong. But it was like $1.75 or something. Okay, squeezing worked a little bit there. It's a decent way to get your liquids. And there's a trick to it that I haven't learned yet. But it's interesting. It's not bad. It's not water. It's got flavor. So this is a thumbs up if I figure out how to drink it. And it comes in tons of flavors, fruits and other fruits and all that. Yeah, I'm not smart enough. The bread, maybe because I'm not eating bread and carbs at all, but it's so-so. It's good for what it is. It's just not my thing anymore. And I used to love bread. Give me some biscuits and gravy and I'll be happy. Anyway, that's it. Teso Life. My big shopping adventure for the day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, your helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for your feeding my fragile ego. We'll see you next time. Bye!